Hey guys, it's Kiki and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I have a small Dollar Tree haul, so let's get started. First, I purchased this Sparkle Art coloring set, and it comes with 4 mini markers and a poster board. So this little cute little mermaid you see here is so adorable. So I purchased that to go into an Easter basket. And from the Jot brand, I purchased 2 of the poster letters. I purchased the 52 pieces, one in the pink, the holographic pink color, just in the green. So this is the tea light holder, and I picked up 2 of those, and it's just by the Luminescence brand. Purchased this milk jar here. And last but not least, from Dollar Tree was a new find, you guys. My Dollar Tree finally got the Beauty Benefits display. So I purchased the lip liner pencils in the color Scarlet. Also purchased this sparkling lip gloss, and this is in the color Terra. It is a pretty plum color. Benefits lengthening mascara, and it says it's clump free. I purchased it in the color black. And last but not least, from Beauty Benefits, I purchased the Silky Bronzer, one in Biscotti and one in Cinnamon. Here's the color Biscotti, and let's do the swatch. And that is Biscotti. Cinnamon. This is Cinnamon. It's the color Cinnamon, and the swatch for you guys. And that's the color Cinnamon. Alright, so here is Cinnamon, and here is Biscotti. So that completes my haul, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Please hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.